Welcome back, guys, to another exciting Memorial Day Volkswagen tour. This is where we're honoring our fallen by checking out the Harley-Davidson. Well, it's mostly Harley-Davidson, but the motorcycle cruise that comes through town here. There's usually hundreds of bikes, and I invite you guys to count and post down below in the comments as to how many you see. But we Volkswagen folks get together to wave and cheer them on. Anyway, we should be arriving in just a moment here. They should all be up on the left. Yep, there they are. Right in front of Five Flags Speedway. That's where we're gonna stop while Bill's probably made us some of the famous Memorial Day hot dogs. Woo! Look at the enthusiasm. None. Hello, Wild Bill.
Greetings, comrades.
What have you got here?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
I got hot dogs. I already cooked
Hot
them.
dogs.
Ready. They're steaming in the buns.
That's it.
Ready to go.
Mmm.
Sodas, water, chips.
Yeah, right.
Some people to come and eat them.
And you could be steaming in the buns in Pensacola Beach this weekend if you wanted to.
No.
No? Oh, well.
Sorry.
Let's see who turned up. Looks like it's a small turnout this time, but it's still early. Here we are. Some buses. Got a Beetle. How's it going, Howard?
Hello, hello. Howdy, howdy.
Yeah. And a Scion. And the one and only Miss Ruby herself. And a golf cart. And a dog. Hot dog. Mmm. And here's one for Jody and the boys, if they're out there on Pensacola Beach. Mmm. was very fun. How many bikes did you see? Comment down below, let me know the number. We also had an extra bonus to the Jeeps this year, which we weren't expecting. Wild Bill says he's going to try to get the Volkswagens in there next year, so maybe we can add to the brigade and make it just a little bit longer. So you guys, give all your veteran friends a hug before they're no longer with us and they become part of Memorial Day. They are the people that supported us, the people that kept this country free. Whether you care about the politics or not, it's not what matters. It's all about the troops, the ones that put their lives on the line for the rest of us, and that's the ones you really have to have respect for. Never mind them shitty politicians. So anyways, you guys, likey, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to pluck that dingle belly so you get our updates every time we upload a video. And check out DougShit.net for all my different social media links. And we'll be back hopefully with some more